Hi everybody! This is a video on what to do for Thursday and Friday, May 28th and 29th. The first thing you're going to do is Project 8, Part 1. So it says, look at the following pattern. So these are actually bobbins for sewing. So first, second, third. What do you notice? What do you wonder? How is the pattern changing? Is the pattern increasing, getting bigger, or decreasing, which means getting smaller? By how much? What kind of pattern is this? Linear or exponential? Why? And you can use these sentence frames to answer these questions in our discussion. So I'm going to go back. The next part says Project 8, Part 2. This one says, look at the following pattern. So this pattern starts the same, but then it gets different over here. What do you notice? What do you wonder? How is the pattern changing? Is the pattern increasing, getting bigger, or decreasing, getting smaller? By how much? What kind of pattern is this? Linear or exponential? Why? And then again, we have sentence frames that you can use. You can just copy and paste these into our discussion. So I'm going to go back in the top left. Then it says end of Friday, Project 8, Part 3. All right, this kind of reveals some information, so you'll get a good hint. It says, both of these two patterns start the same. So both of these patterns, if you look, they both started with 1, and then on the second time, they both have 4. But one pattern is linear and one is exponential. We know this pattern is linear because we are adding by the same amount each time. Remember, linear means adding the same amount. We know this pattern is exponential because we are multiplying by the same amount each time. So remember, exponential means we are multiplying by the same amount each time. So for the first one, we're adding the same number. And for the second one, we're multiplying by the same number each time. Your task: create 2 patterns at home. One that is exponential and one that is linear. We have 3 flip grids that you need to do. The first one you will use to share your linear pattern on Flipgrid. The second button you will use to share your exponential pattern on Flipgrid. And the last one, we want you to record a video of a family or friend looking at your pattern. Okay, once you finish that task, that is it for this week. You are done with Thursday and Friday, and we hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Bye!